What is its articulation point? It is one of the throat letters. So from throat we have 6 letters, and Khaa is one of them. Let me explain this. It is the nearest spot. If you see here, the nearest spot. So we have 1, 2, 3 different places where from each place 2 different letters are pronounced, and this is the nearest. That's the nearest spot of the throat to the mouth. Okay, that's the articulation point. And how it is pronounced is it is produced by narrowing the passageway between the back of the tongue. Okay, that's the back of the tongue, and the velum. This is called velum. This one, you can see this one. Okay, the velum, to create friction. To create friction as the air passes through. So it is come near to each other, and when the air passes through, it creates the sound. Okay. Okay. So again, if we go through again, it is produced by narrowing the passageway between the back of the tongue. That's the back of the tongue, and the velum. That's the velum. And when they create a friction as the air passes through. Okay, and this is the articulation point for Khaa, or the sound